Got 15 tons of rock to do. We're doing the dry creek bed with the surge stone. I call it surge stone. I don't know what you guys call it, but 15 tons. A mountain of rock. Okay, so we're doing a dry creek bed, 2 of them. So it's gonna start right here. It's washing out. Nice house. Nice view. It's washing out right here. So we're gonna come through. We got 3 foot by 300 foot fabric. We're gonna come through. And we're gonna take it all the way to the end of the mulch right here. Probably stop it right in there where it's washing out. So that's that side. But then we're gonna start up here because it's washing out right there and run it down through here. Bring it up to the mulch bed. But we're gonna, you can see it's washing out right here. All the ruts. So we're actually gonna, it's gonna be 3 foot right there. We're gonna come out and widen it right here.
In some way, there's a torque for those 28 straight days out.
Mendoza, say cheese. Camera. We got the fabric laid. No, it ain't perfect, but rock's going on it, so I mean, you ain't even gonna see it. I'll fix that in a minute. We're gonna start on this left side. We're gonna start on the left side first because it's shorter. So if we run out on the long side and not the short side. Then we're gonna start at the top. We'll start at the top. That way the top's finished, and if we run out on the end. You gotta think ahead of the game. Looking good, my friend. Looking good. We got the pipes down here. We got the pipes right there. So we're gonna put some rock right here to catch the runoff from the pipes. We'll smooth that back out once we get the rock laid. We left it wide enough so we can get a mower through here. Time to form the bed and lay the rock. Get to laying this ish. I'm gonna do the edges, make a good edge on it, and then once the edges are done, I'll just be able to fill it in. Side one is finished. Check out what we got. We tried to do a little border on the edges just to tie it in. Then we just kind of filled it in the middle. Get some water on there and wash out all that dust. It's gonna look good. We gotta finish laying fabric right here. Then we'll start on that side. Done and done. 18 tons of rock. It started washing down through there too. He wanted me to come back and just put a little swivel right here.
Great. It's perfect.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look
You
good.
did a good job finishing it.
Thank you, I appreciate you.